What's up everybody, this is Jay, and this is a $2,000 gaming PC build. If you are planning to invest in a machine that will run all games that are coming in at least the next 2 years in maximum settings, this is the build for you. With this build, games like Titanfall and The Division will run smoothly in 1080p and in max settings. Let's move to the parts. For the processor, I choose the Intel Core i7 4930K. This is a 6-core processor with 3.4 GHz. Overclock is possible with the CPU that costs $580. To keep the processor at low temperature, the Corsair H100 is a great choice. The cost of this one is $95. The motherboard will be an ASRock X79 Extreme 6. This board comes with 8 slots of memory, supporting up to 64 gigs of memory and a quad-channel support. This board also comes with a 7.1 HD audio feature. The cost of this one is $220. The memory will be a G.Skill RipjawsX with 16 gigs of capacity. The cost of this one is $155. For installing your OS, the Samsung 840 EVO is a great SSD to choose. This one comes with 120 gigs. The cost of this one is $90. For general storage, the Western Digital Caviar Blue with 1 TB of space should do the job just fine. The cost of this one is $60. The video card will be a GTX 780 from EVGA with 3 gigs and a memory interface of 384 bits. The superclocked version is a great choice for this build. The cost of this one is $555. The power supply will be a Corsair RM 750 with 750 watts of power. This PSU have a 80+ gold certification and it's a modular power supply, which is great. The cost of this one is $120. The case will be a Fractal design defined R4, an excellent case that is not too expensive. The cost of this one is $110. All the links for you to buy the parts will be in the description below. Note that the prices may change with time. I've made other videos showing other builds that you can do with more or less money than this one. You can check them out clicking in the annotation on the screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comment below and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and until the next video.